Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video! Today we're gonna be doing a video I thought I would never do ever. KSI, whatever, the big forehead dude. Today we're gonna be reacting to some of his music. Why? I actually have no idea. You know, I had nothing planned to upload this week. I just saw, like, you know, KSI, new music video, so let's just react to it. But before I do, I got a new song called Naruto. Go check it out, it's pretty lit. It's on my main channel, it'll be in the link in the description. Go check it out whenever. Anyway, yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. KSI talked to me, he DM'd me on Discord. He was like, you should be featured on the song. Of course, I turned down his offer because it's KSI. But he said so he just replaced me with Digital Farm Animals, whoever that is, or is her, whatever. Alright, before this actually starts, what are these people doing? This music video is trash already. Low budget music video. Anyway, yeah, that's all I really gotta say.
I'm on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in chat. Loving all the time with you. Now you just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready.
I don't really got anything to say about this. It's trash. That's it. It's just trash. That's it. That's really all I gotta say. Oh, so I get the whole concept of the video. It doesn't take a genius to figure out. So this girl gets bullied and she grows up somehow and trains, and she exactly knows when somebody's going to fight night, when the girl's going to fight night to fight the girl, because to get revenge of her getting bullied. That's the way to handle bully. Perfect. Oh, or not grow up, or just go to fight night that night. I didn't mean grow up. Don't play games with my heart. I was supposed to be that. What is this pig doing? I'm gonna be serious, honest with you guys. I can sing better than this girl. I'm about to go to sleep. I want to bop my head, but it's just different. Cause the feels hit me differently. Oh my god, this is so fire! Oh my god! Holy goodness! This is so fire! Holy goodness! Okay, we're gonna stop it there for sure. Yeah, we're stopping it there. This was some fire. Oh my god, this was the best music ever. I'm gonna rate this 10 out of 10. This was absolutely jokes. This was funny and net. This was funny. This is the best song I've ever heard of 2021. Definitely. I'm actually gonna be serious. It was a great song. I'm just saying that for the memes. It's way better with headphones. You wouldn't think, but it is. Anyway, yeah, I rate it 10 out of 10. It's a pretty good song, but I'm burning in the hoodie. Shout out 21 Pilots. Shout out 21 Pilots, you know. Anyway, make sure you subscribe. We're 2 subscribers away from 60 subs. Come on now. Make sure you smash that like button. Anyway, I'm gonna go cry. I'll see you on a bitty witty. Bye. Yeah, you're juicy toes, yeah. Your toes look like meatballs. I just wanna put them in my mouth and